Good morning everybody from the Earth Saviors Foundation. You can see more than 1000 destitute dwellers who are taking shelter, food and clothing in the Earth Saviors Foundation Mandawar are getting tea today in the morning. Thank you for all your blessings and becoming a part of the Earth Saviors Foundation. You are more than welcome to join us and distribute and deliver whatever goods or foodstuff that you would like within these dwellers to help them elevate their condition from survival. Have a nice day.